Good morning friends, I am Audumbar. I am glad to start the group discussion, and the group discussion topic given to us the pharmaceutical market in India and its future. According to my opinion, this topic is very interesting topic, and we know that India is the third largest country for the manufacturing and the 14th largest country by the value globally, and India also export our medicine overall 200 plus countries like UK, EU and Africa, and we know about that the India is the largest country for manufacturing the vaccines and general products.
Yes, Audumbar. Then I would like to tell about some key strengths of pharmaceutical industry. In that, strong manufacturing basis. In that, 3,000 pharmaceutical companies and over the 10,000 manufacturing unit. Then skilled work offices in research and development and production department, and cost-effective production as compared to the Western countries.
There are some challenges we must overcome. India is dependent on the China for the raw materials, and it may be risky during the international disruption, and our investment in research and development is still low. If we want to compete with innovators, then we must invest time in research and development.
First I would like to add some introductory part into this topic, because we can know that after the COVID-19, most of the peoples or majorly peoples more conscious about their health because of the COVID-19 pandemic or their disease condition. So that will ultimately increases the demand of the pharmaceuticals or medicines, which can ultimately help to grow the pharmaceutical market of our country. Then next, also Indian government provides various incentive to the various pharmaceutical companies, which ultimately provides and accessible the all medicines for the population of the country. So it will definitely helps to grow our pharmaceutical market.
I agree with your opinion, and we know that our Indian government also provides some schemes like PLI, like Pharma Vision 2020. In that PLI scheme, every fresher candidate got the job in pharma industry. Then their 50% package give to the pharma industry and the 50% package give to the government. And we know about that the COVID-19 condition, our India produces the much more vaccines like Covaxin, Covishield, etc.
Yes, Audumbar, you are right. As we all know about the government initiatives like Ayushman Bharat and Jal Aushadhi Yojana expanding domestic access to the medicine, and digital initiatives like e-Sanjeevani and e-pharmacy regulation.
Looking towards the future, the picture is bright and full of opportunities. India's domestic medicine demand is rising due to the lifestyle diseases like diabetes and heart diseases. One of the most exciting area of growth is use of artificial intelligence. AI can help to reduce the time and cost of drug discovery by analyzing the millions of drug compounds in quickly, and also helps to bring the India from just being drug maker to drug innovator.
Yes, Akram, as we know, India is the second largest provider of generic medicines. Also, but India is mostly depends for the API to the China, and it provides raw material from the India. So if India has their own API manufacturing, then it will be a great future of the pharmaceutical market of the India.
Purpose of AI in pharmaceutical industry, drug discovery and development, then personalized medicine, manufacturing and supply chain. Then impact of AI in pharmaceutical industry. AI plays an important role in pharmaceutical industry, from pharmaceutical product to the manufacturing, and from target identification to the prescription of medicine to the patient.
The government of India pushing for self-reliance through the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. For example, the India make paracetamol tablet but imported the raw material from the China. But now under the mission, India manufacturing the tablet itself, and so we don't need to depend on anyone else.
As we know, pharmaceutical market facing various problems like drug design cost, price fixation according to regulatory authority, then drug approval cost and their time required, then marketing, promotion, advertisements. These costs have impact on any pharmaceutical market. So let's hope for the best. Indian pharmaceutical market will minimize these problems and making some ways to find some better.
Yes, and according to current scenario, the pharmaceutical market in India market size is $50 billion, and in future, like 2030, it growth in $130 billion. And also, Indian pharmaceutical market is facing the challenges like they are also facing the cost effective according to the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority.
In this comprehensive group discussion, we concluded that the Indian pharmaceutical market has strong foundation and promising future.
Thank you so much for watching us. If you want to speak English,
Do join Bullets Academy.